Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to open Volvo XC60 with key updated. Press the unlock button on the key fob once to unlock the driver door, or press twice to unlock all doors. If the fob battery is dead, slide the mechanical key from the fob and insert it into the exterior door lock to turn and open. Keep a spare fob battery and a clean key slot for reliable entry every time. The hidden key blade is a simple backup that works when the fob battery fails or electronics glitch. Slide the small latch on the key fob to release the blade, then insert it into the driver door lock and turn smoothly to unlock. Avoid forcing the blade to prevent damage. After opening, slide the blade back into the fob until it clicks so you always have a reliable mechanical option on hand. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing useful car tips. Quick recommendation: life is short for cheap socks, so consider a tough pair with a lifetime warranty. I found one that pairs perfectly with morning drives and keys in hand. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to grab a pair. Now let's get back to the video. Key fob maintenance keeps access simple and stress-free, so check the battery when range drops and replace it with the correct cell. Store the fob away from magnets and moisture, and test spare keys periodically to confirm programming. If you notice slow response, clean the fob contacts and the car's key slot gently. Proper care avoids lockouts and ensures you can open your vehicle quickly when you need it most.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.